What's up YouTube? It is yours truly, Bryson, and as y'all can see from the title, this video is going to consist of spring cleaning. So basically, I'm kind of collecting items for too long. I've just been holding on to some things for memories, and honestly, it is 2026. It's time to get rid of some of this clutter. What I'm going to do is going to go through my closet and I'm going to pick out some things that I'm going to donate to thrift stores, and then some are going to go in the trash. Let's go to my closet and let's get started. Okay, y'all, so right behind me is my closet, which is majority where everything resides. And like I said, some of this stuff I'm going to donate, some of this stuff I'm going to throw away. The goal is to get rid of things that are just taking up space. So without further ado, brace yourselves. Okay, y'all, so this is my closet, and as you can see, we have stuff up here. This entire rack is full, and there's also stuff on the floor. I don't know if I want to show y'all. Maybe we can get a little peek. As y'all can see, there's stuff on the floor as well. So basically, I'm going to be separating the clothes that I'm going to donate, and I'm going to separate the clothes that is going to go in the trash. So, I don't know where I should get started. I guess, honestly, we can do the rack, so let's go ahead. So for example, this sweater right here, I bought this sweater maybe 2 years ago, and it was women's. It was in woman, and usually I can fit some clothes for women, but the measurements weren't exact. So this sweater kind of fits weird. I like the colors. Let's see, look, as you can see, it has an oil stain on it. I'm not gonna be able to wear this, so trash. These are perfectly good pants. Keep. Of course, keep. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of this. So I'm about to get to this, so time lapse. Keep. Okay, y'all, so this shirt right here, this shirt was actually brand new. I got this shirt from Boohoo. As you can see, let me see. It has, I want to say this is ink, and then it has more ink towards the bottom. And I have tried to wash this shirt, and the stains have not came out, but I just held on to it because this shirt was brand new. But another shirt. I wore this shirt for my, how old did I turn? I wore this shirt for my 20th birthday, and I'm currently 22. I'll turn 23 this year, so this shirt been around for a minute. Now, as you can see, it has accumulated some stains, so trash. This shirt. So I know this shirt has a lot going on. I bought this shirt, I don't know what year it was, but I had bought this shirt when spring break was coming up. So I bought this shirt, I don't know what year, but I bought it around, spring break is in March, so I bought it around February. And I remember I was saying to myself, I want to get something that's different, something that is giving vacation. I don't know where I was going to go, but I had big expectations. Honestly, I don't I'm gonna keep this shirt. Yeah, keep. I don't know. This is another shirt that I bought around the time I was planning to do something for spring break. And I just remember I wanted to buy different clothes. I didn't want to do the graphic tee. I wanted to get something a little more casual but not streetwear. So I feel like this one met in the middle. But honestly, I don't know what to wear this shirt with. So this shirt I'm kind of either donate or keep. This one, honestly, ooh, it has some stains on it, and I don't think you can wash this shirt because this is paint. I think this is trash. So, look what I just came across. So, this right here, this was the suit that I wore to my 8th grade prom. Oh my god, the lighting. This is the suit that I wore to my 8th grade prom. I'll insert a picture somewhere. But, y'all, mind you, I am about to be done with college. I wore this. Well, no. Let me not say done with college. I'm almost done with my associate's degree. And I wore this in the 8th grade. And as y'all can see, child, I had a time that night. Look at the thing here, the collar. But let me try it on so we can see if it still fits. Oh. So this is how I was coming 8th grade year. And child, I lost. Wait, why I actually look nice though? Why I'm feeling? I think we all know what I'm gonna do with this one. Though this jacket does hold memories, I don't see any use for it, but maybe somebody will. So maybe I'll donate this. I don't know. Y'all, so hey y'all, so as y'all can see, the top shelf is, well, not the top shelf, the rack is empty. You can see empty, and I'm not gonna lie, I have not seen my closet like this since I moved in. So now we just have the top and this bottom. So since I don't know which one I want to do first, the top or the bottom, I can see the bottom has more going on, but that don't mean I want to do it first. So I'm gonna ask Siri to flip a coin. So heads, top, tails, the bottom. Hey Siri, flip a coin. Oh, okay, so last time it said tails, but this time it says heads, so I guess that's what counts. So we're doing the top. Oh, this is what I want to show y'all. Okay. Here, this is something that is very dear to my heart. Let me see. Let me focus. This is a poster signed by De'Ara and Ken when I went to their meet and greet. Hold on, I'm trying to, what it says. Love you, De'Ara. And then it said love you, Ken, but my dog at the time, 87. As y'all can see, I still have this. And this is just a memory. And as y'all can see, I went in, it's January, February, March. I went April 2017. That's crazy, I still have this. I wanted to frame it, but honestly, wow. This is crazy actually looking at this. I haven't seen this in a while. Wow. But yeah, y'all. So of course I can't throw this away. This is a memory. You can't get this back. So yeah. This bag, which is where I keep all my old phones. I'll show y'all one. And fun fact, I actually have this phone, this exact same phone right now. This is the old phone right here. My phone right now. I just hold on to these because, I don't know, we pay a lot of money for Apple phones, so I don't see myself throwing these away. Wow. This projector, I don't know what this projector was missing. My brother had gave this to me, and I kept it, but I've never used it because it's missing something. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is really... it's starting to get to me. The clothes, okay, but actually getting rid of stuff, electronics, I don't know. This is probably why a lot of this stuff been in my closet for so long, because I haven't felt compelled to give it away. See? It's still in the package and everything. It's missing something though. These are the input and output cords, ejector. It's missing something though. Hey, I think all this projector was missing is an HDMI cord. Let me see something. We'll be using this tonight. So we're gonna keep that. Oh my god, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of fun. This right here, this is all my scarves, hats, and gloves. So of course we're gonna keep. Alright, I'm gonna come back to y'all when the top is clear, and then we're gonna move on to the bottom. Hey, I'm back. And as y'all can see, the closet is looking pretty good so far. I just came across this bucket. I told y'all I hold on to a lot of things that are very symbolic to my heart and really mean something to me. For example, this yellow crock. This crock is pretty, it's in bad condition. And you probably ask yourself, why do I sell this crock? This crock was... This crock was chewed on by two of my past dogs that passed away. Aww. And I just kept this as a memory because this crock means a lot. I know it's just a crock, but it symbolizes a memory in a chapter of my life. So that's why I hold on to this crock. So unfortunately, I won't be getting rid of this crock. This, I'm going to hold on to. In this bucket is a lot of my old birthday cards. So I feel like, of course, I'm going to keep these. So yeah, I think this bucket is actually a bucket full of memories because this crock. And then birthday cards. This was actually one of the collars of the dogs. This box full of memories, this is actually going to go right back up there. So I'm going to be honest. Doing this, a lot of these things I've kept over the years because they were dear to me. So getting rid of them or just seeing them after so long, it just kind of shows me how much time has passed. And keeping them allows me to have a personal memory within reach, if that makes sense. So, yeah. But anyways, enough of the sappy. Let's continue. At the top, she is clear with the exception of those shoe boxes. And then, like I told y'all, memory bucket. Back is clear. Now for this part. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I have loaded the car. I'm about to go to the donation box, which I hope is still there. Let's go. Hey y'all, So right now I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now. And I know you can notice that I have on a complete different outfit. I wasn't able to donate the clothes that day, but I did donate them another time. So that explains why I'm in two completely different outfits. And then get back to the video. Okay, y'all, so right now it is currently 7:38 and I just cleared the closet. What we looking like? As y'all can see, the top is clear. Don't mind this right here. I'm gonna move that. And then the floor. I haven't seen my closet in so long. But now that the closet is clear, I can finally organize. I think I want to do color coordination, whatever. Color coordinate my clothes. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, y'all. It's currently, I can't find my phone, so the TV's gonna have to suffice. But as y'all can see, it is 10:25 p.m. and I have officially, can I say, oh my God, I'm tired. Let me show y'all how it's looking now. As y'all can see, the top, all that stuff that was at the top, now we've downsized to two little, what do you want to call these? Cubbies. And then some shoe boxes. And as you can see, my poster. And then, like I said earlier, I was going to color coordinate my clothes. So I don't, you can see us going from kind of cream, then the whites and the blacks, gray, blue, and so on. And then what I'm most excited about is my floor. So how earlier it was stuff everywhere, now I can actually step in here. Okay, y'all, don't mind this lighting. Yeah, I'm gonna close out this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I know I enjoy going down memory lane and contemplate letting go of stuff that I really don't want to, but that I see the end result, I'm very satisfied. Once again, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.